Weathering is the natural process that breaks down rocks right where they are, at or near the Earth's surface. It's nature's way of wearing away mountains, cliffs, and even the rocks beneath our feet, shaping the landscape over time. There are three main types of weathering: mechanical, chemical, and biotic. Mechanical weathering is all about physical forces breaking rocks into smaller pieces without changing what the rock is made of. One example is frost action, also called freeze-thaw. When water seeps into cracks in rocks and freezes, it expands, putting pressure on the rock and slowly prying it apart. Over many cycles, this can shatter rock into pieces. Pressure release is another process, where rocks that were buried deep become exposed as the material above them erodes away. With less pressure, the rock expands and cracks, often peeling off in layers like an onion. In deserts, temperature changes also play a role. Rocks expand during hot days and contract during cold nights. Over time, this repeated stress causes rocks to crack and break down.
To a process which is known as exfoliation. E-X-F-O-L-I-A-T-I-O-N. Some people call it onion peeling because it looks like when you're peeling off the layers of an onion.
Chemical weathering, on the other hand, changes the minerals inside rocks. Hydrolysis happens when minerals react with water, transforming them into new substances like clay. Oxidation is when minerals, especially those with iron, react with oxygen. Think of how iron rusts. Solution occurs when water dissolves minerals, making rocks weaker. Carbonation is another process, where rainwater absorbs carbon dioxide and forms a weak acid that can dissolve limestone. The Green Grotto Caves in Jamaica are a great example of how carbonation creates underground landscapes. Biotic weathering involves living things. Plant roots can grow into cracks in rocks, forcing them wider and eventually splitting the rock apart. Animals that burrow, like certain birds or rodents, also help break down rock. Even a single plant pushing its roots into stone can slowly pry it apart, demonstrating the quiet but persistent power of life in shaping our world.